Hello everyone. So people, I hope I'm connected. So most welcome to the session. Yes, Nida, we have the class beta. Hi. How are you? SR Gamers, hi. How are you doing today? Okay, so great. So let's begin the session beta. So today we are going to great beta. So today we are going to do questions based on coordinate geometry. Okay, so I hope you are ready. So before I start the session, let me give my introduction. So I'm Divya, a verified plus educator here on Unacademy, and I also teach CBSE class in mathematics, and I also train many students to crack their POLYCET. Okay, so I'm a proper trained teacher, and I qualified CET paper 1 and 2 as well, and 5+ years of experience I have. So this is about me, beta. A small intro. I'm good, beta. I'm good. Thank you. So yeah, I hope your preparation is going on great. Preparation along the all good? Yes. Are you able to crack? Ma'am, we did have to do similar triangles. Yes. Similar triangles. Actually, this session is already scheduled beta, so I started this. So similar triangles, we have to do those questions where figures were involved, isn't it? Ha. So yeah, that should be a separate session now because this is already scheduled, I think 1 week, 10 days back. So we shall complete this. Okay. So similar triangles should be a new session for you. Okay, so I'll schedule it separately. Okay. So let's begin the session now. Clear? Clear, beta? Shall we begin the session? Can we? So before I start, I just want you all to be ready with your pen and book. Okay. You have to be ready with your pen and book. We are going to solve questions. I will give you questions, so you will have to solve the questions. Okay? You will have to solve the questions. I'll give you questions. Clear, people? Is it clear? Yes? Great. Chalo, let's begin then. So, yes. Firstly, let's discuss what the questions given to you or what are the concepts which are involved in this chapter coordinate geometry. So in coordinate geometry, the first and the most important concept I have is distance formula. Okay, what do I have? It is called distance formula. So if any 2 points are given to me, for example, if I have point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, so I can find the distance between these 2 points as root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 y minus y1 the whole square. So this is the formula. And suppose if I am finding distance between origin and a point. Okay, so here the distance formula will be OA is root over x square plus y square. How did you get this formula? Just in AB, if I substitute, I'll get this formula. Okay, substituting the same in AB, you'll get the formula. Clear till here, beta. So, after this, we will next discuss about section formula. What is the meaning of section formula? See, suppose if I have a point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Okay, and I have a point Px comma y, which is dividing AB in the ratio. Okay, in the ratio m1 is to m2. So for example, this is A, this is B, and this is P, which is dividing AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. So here in this case, you can find the point of division. This is P is called the point of division. So this you can find it using the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So calculating here, you will get the x coordinate. Now for y coordinate, this x2 you will write it as y2. So m1 y2 plus m2 x1 you will write as y1 by m1 plus m2. Clear, people? Yes. Now in section formula only, suppose if I want to find the midpoint. Okay, suppose if I have 2 points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. So I need to find the midpoint x comma y. So midpoint is given by the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So how did we get this formula? This is nothing but here in this section formula is if I substitute m1 is to m2, I'm substituting it as 1 is to 1. So if I substitute the ratio as 1 is to 1, because this is a midpoint. Okay, if I'm substituting the ratio as 1 is to 1, okay, then I get my midpoint as x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. After midpoint formula, what do you have? You also find area of a triangle. Okay, suppose there are points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. So there are 3 points A, B, and C. Okay, so in these 3 points, if I want to find the area of the triangle, so how can we do this question? There's nothing but half. Okay, if I want to find area of triangle ABC, half x1 I will write. Okay, after writing x1 it is y2 minus y3. Then plus the next x2 you write. After writing x2 it is y3 minus y1. Plus x3 I write. After writing x3 it is y1 minus y2. Okay, and if 3 points are collinear, if they lie in the same line, then area of that particular triangle has to be equal to 0. Okay, if the points are collinear. Understood better? Till here are the concepts of the chapter. So did you all understand till here? Everyone? Okay, shall we proceed? Just go through the formulas once. I'll give you 1 minute. Go through the formulas once. If you're ready, let me know. Done with the formula? All the formulas are clear now? Yes. Right. So now see here. Let us do one more question. So I just want to find the distance between. So see here. I'll upload. Don't worry. So see here, the first question. Find the distance between the point 0, 0 and 36, 15. So already I just discussed just now distance between origin and a point equal to root over x square plus y square. So here origin is 0, 0 and the point is xy. So this will be root over X square is 36 plus square plus 15 square. So calculate and tell me what is the final answer you're getting. 36. 36 square. That would be 1296 plus 225. So under root. So 1296 plus 225 is how much? See here. So 1, 10, 11, 12, 4, 5, 1 to 5. So what is root of 1 to 5 now? What is root of 1521? Sorry. 39. Okay, so 39 units is the distance between the points A and O. Clear, people? Any more doubts here? Clear? Okay, beta. See the next question. Show that the following points form an equilateral triangle. Okay, you have to show that these points form an equilateral triangle. So how can we do this? I will give you 2 minutes. Please try the question and let me know if you are able to do. Try the question and let me know if you are able to do. If you are done, let me know, beta. If you are done, let me know. Yes, exactly, by distance formula. Okay, you'll do it by distance formula. They are equilateral. Chalo. So how did you find? So suppose if this is a triangle a comma 0 minus a comma 0, 0 comma a root 3. Okay, so to find equilateral triangle, I know all sides should be equal. So let me find a, b first. Okay, this is a, b, c. So if I'm finding a, b, that is equals to root over a plus a whole square. So 4a square plus 0. So 4a square plus 0 means 2a. Okay, then let us find BC also. BC is also equal to minus a whole square plus a square. See here, 0 into minus a into 0 and 0 into minus a root 3. So that is equals to, this is 3 ma, that is equal to minus a square plus 3a square. So that is 2a. Okay, because root of 4, this is 4a square now. So root of 4 is 3 and a square is a. Then find AC. AC is nothing but root of a minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus a root 3 whole square. So that is equal to a minus 0 is a square plus 0 plus 0 minus a root 3 is nothing but a root 3. So a square into 3. So root 2a. Okay. So all sides you can see AB is root 2 a, BC is root 2a units and AC is also root 2. Sorry, root Root is not there. It is already 4a square. Yes, see here once. Clear everyone? Till here is the question clear? Let me know. AB equal to BC, exactly, beta gamers, exactly. So clear here? Shall we proceed with the next one? Yes. Shall we? Ready people? Any doubt till here? Coordinate geometry I wish to explain you step by step only slowly. Okay. So see the next one. Next one you see. One second. Clear? Great. See the next question. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. So this point, okay, it has to be equidistant from A and B. Okay, so do this question. Connected? Okay, great. So let's begin. So here you see you have A, B, and this is a point. Okay, you have A, B, and this is the point. So just have a look here, better. So this is point A, 2 comma minus 5, and this is point B, minus 2 comma 9. Okay, 2 comma minus 5, minus 2 comma 9. Great, got the answer. So this point P is a point of division and it is on x-axis, so it has to be x comma 0. So substitute in section formula. Okay, how will you substitute in section formula? Take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, and this as xy. So pxy equals to m1. Okay, here, see, it is equidistant. One second. Equidistant, no? So simply let's take PA equal to PB. Okay, this point P is equidistant from A and B. So let me write PA equals to PB. Or I can also write PA square equal to PB square. So what is PA? PA is nothing but x minus 2 the whole square plus minus 5 the whole square equals to, this is 0 minus 2 whole square plus 9 square. So solving this, x square minus 2 minus 4x plus 4 plus 25 plus 4 plus 81. Now solving this, you'll get your x value, beta. Okay, you'll get your x value from here. Clear everyone? Minus 7, 7 you're getting. Okay, any more doubts, beta? Shall we proceed with the next one? Chalo. So next I would like to give you a question. So just have a look here. So this question, yes, this question, do it and let me know the answer. Do this question and let me know the answer. You need to find the value of y. So how are you finding the value of y? How are you going to find the value of y? Yes. How shall we find the value of y, beta? See here. So again distance formula only. So here it is given distance between PQ is 10. So PQ distance is 10. PQ square will be 100. So root of 10 minus 2 the whole square plus y plus 3 the whole square equal to 100. Okay, total square of this. Square and square gets cancelled, so you have 8 square is 64 plus y square plus 9 plus 6y is 100. So if you solve, you'll get your y values from this. People, quadratic equation. So is it clear, beta? Let me know. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear? Okay. So next question. Next question is a common question which is asked many times in board exams. So here's the next question. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, there is a circle. Okay, you need to find the radius of the circle. Who's what is given to you here? You need to find the radius whose center. Center is given as 3 comma 2 and it passes through a point minus 5 comma 6. Okay, radius is nothing but the distance between the center and the point through which it is passing. So that is 3 plus 5 the whole square x2 minus x1 plus 2 minus 6 the whole square. So this would be equal to 8 square 64 plus minus 4 whole square is 16. So this is root 0180. Okay, so 80 square units. Any doubts here, beta? Please let me know. Any doubts? Pi is 3 or minus 9? Great. Any doubts here? Root 80. Great. Chalo. Next question. Next question, you need to find a relation. Okay, you'll have to find a relation. Let me tell you how to do this. So see here. Yes, next question. Find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points minus 2 comma 8 and minus 3 comma minus 1. Please do this question better. Try it by yourself and let me know if you're ready. Try this question by yourself and let me know if you're ready. Ready? Try this, try this. Let me know if you're ready. I want you all to try this by yourself and tell me whether you got the answer or not. Please do this and tell me whether you got the answer or not better. Did you get the answer or not? Do this and let me know. SR Gamers got the answer. X plus 13 y equals to 17. Okay. Anyone else? So just see here. So we have 2 points. Okay. So here this point x comma y. Okay. It is equidistant from minus 2 comma 8 and minus 3 comma minus 5. So if you observe carefully, so I can write x plus 2 whole square applying distance formula plus y minus 8 whole square is equals to x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Till here is it clear? Okay. No, not midpoint formula beta. We have to use equidistant. Equidistant means it can be like this. Okay, midpoint means exactly in the between of the line. Okay, suppose if this is A, B, I can say P is equidistant, which means it is exactly the midpoint. For example, if P is here, A is here, B is here, and the distance between A and P is 5, distance between these is also 5. So here in this case, P is not a midpoint, but still they are the equidistant points. Okay, so you understood. So you cannot directly say midpoint. It can be midpoint or it can be something like case 2, this one. Okay, so now if you expand this. So just expanding a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now see what is getting cancelled here. X square, y square gets cancelled. And anything else? Nothing. So 4x turning to the other side is 2x. Oh wait, let's write one more step. So 4x minus 16x is minus 12x. 68 plus 4 is 64 plus 4 is 68 equals to 6x. Here it has to be y, isn't it? Yeah, now you listen better. So 64 plus 4 is 68 plus 4x minus 16y is equals to 6x plus 10y plus 34. Okay. So taking all x terms together, 4x minus 6x minus 4x is 2x. 10y plus this is 26y and this is minus 34 equals to 0. Till here is it clear? Till here is it clear? Okay, so then this is a relation. Here you can take x common, so x plus 13y minus 17 equals to 0, taking 2 common. SR gamers got the correct answer. Is it clear better now? Is it clear now? My video is off. Okay, is it clear till now? Please let me know. People clear? Okay, chalo, let's move on to the next question then. Let's do one more question. So let's do a question from section formula. Ready everyone? Okay, I'll give you one question from section formula. Wait. Yes. You people now solve this question. This question you solve. Solve this question and tell me the answer better. Let me see how many of you can do this. Are you getting it? People, let me know. Are you getting it? What are you using here? Midpoint formula, section formula, distance formula, what? Okay, so SR Gamers is giving us the answer. 2 minus 5 by 3 and 0 minus 7 by 3. Section formula. Exactly. Exactly. So here just have a look better. So what do we do? This is point x1, y1. This is point x2, y2. Okay. Here trisection means it divides it into three parts. Okay. So one will be 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2 ratio. Okay. So case 1, when we take the ratio as 1 is to 2, when we take the ratio as 1 is to 2, what do we do here? If ratio is 1 is to 2, this will be equals to, see here, if the ratio is 1 is to 2. So you take it as the point, okay, the point, if I'm taking it as P, I will get it as M1. So this is M1, this is M2. So M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, so that is minus 2 plus 8 by 3 minus 3 minus 2 by 3. How much did you get better answer? So 6 by 3 is 2 and this is minus 5 by 3. What answer SR Gamers got? Let me check. 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Correct beta, correct. Great, great, great. Chalo. Next I hope you can do. So next what will you do? Now case 2, you will take the ratio as 2 is to 1. Okay. So the formula would be q x comma y. This is the second point of division. You will get by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. X2 is minus 2, x1 is 4, and y2 minus 3, y1 minus 1. So you get minus 4 plus 4 by 3 and minus 6 minus 1 by 3. So this is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Okay, people, SRGMS is doing very well. Very well, very well. Okay. So did you all get the same answers, people? Did you all get the same answers? Okay, so I'll give you one more question, see now. One more question I'll give you. You should find the answer for this. Now I said try section, no? I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes to solve this question. Okay, you'll have 3 to 4 minutes to solve this question. You solve it and let me know. This question. Solve it and let me know, beta. Let me know what answers you're getting. Let me know what answer you're getting. Done, beta? Okay, so I can see SR Gamers is giving us the answer. Perfect, beta. So just have a look here, people, now. Are you all doing over? Over, beta. If it is over, see here. Okay, so four parts. Four parts, how is the line divided into four parts? If this is A, this is B. So this is minus 4 comma 0. This is 0 comma 6. Four parts it has to be divided. Okay, so this will be, okay, here it is part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Okay, so if I take the ratio here, this is nothing but one part, and here you have three parts, isn't it? This is one part and this total is three parts. If I take the ratio here, it is 2 is to 2, or I can simply write it as 1 is to 1. If I take the ratio here, this is from here to here 3 parts is to this is 1 part, so 3 is to 1. So substituting the points P, Q, R, you get P, Q, R with these ratios. Okay, for P, case 1, you take this is the ratio. For Q, 1 is to 1 ratio. For R, 3 is to 1 ratio. There is also one more method. You can find the midpoint of A and B. Find the midpoint of A and B, you will get Q. Then find the midpoint of A and Q, you will get P. Then find the midpoint of Q and B, you will get R. Okay, this is the second method. Is it clear, people? Are you able to understand? Okay, I'm not giving you the exact answer. I'm just giving you how to do. Did you all understand now? Yes? Everyone understood? Great. So, people, let's take a leave for today then. Okay, so overall gist of the chapter we completed, and I hope you got an idea of what is coordinate geometry and how to solve the questions. So, I'll meet you in tomorrow's session again, tomorrow 6 p.m. Okay, tomorrow again 6 p.m. better. Okay, let's meet at 6 p.m. and do like the video right now. Share this with all your friends. Comment and let me know what more topics you need. Okay, definitely comment and let me know so that I can read after the class. Okay, so shall we take a leave for now? Any more doubts in this, what we discussed today? Nida, did you get the answer? I think Nida is still doing. Yeah, thank you so much, SR Gamer. So have a great day to you too. And I'll see you all in the next session, beta. Okay? So bye bye, people. Take care.